revolution is here. The revolution, revolution is here. The revolution.
Mixed by Rottweiler.
Revolution is here.
Alrighty, how's everybody doing? It's good to be back. We got some rest. If you are in the whale crew, we longed, starting at $10,855 today. We just had a beautiful textbook Russian Spritzer play out. This puppy saw the Russian Spritzer sprinkled back in when she came back, taken off. Hopefully everyone was able to catch the crow stream. Wasn't bad. Selling, I believe it, in my opinion, I think I wouldn't long right now, because I think we might actually see a little flash, a flash wick down, just like this one.
That's hot.
And then this is where I'd be looking from, again, the low 10,000s to the high 9,000s to have orders already ready. This could be its last little push. We were actually talking about this earlier today in our Discord fireside chat, which is whale access only, I believe. I am thinking about just cutting it, taking my profits. We started at 10,800. I've been adding pretty heavy too. But I feel like this, just like when someone dies, when your body dies, its last push of endorphins is to take a shit. So it's the last thing that feels good when you die is taking a shit. And so this could be that. We could be taking a literal shit right now. It's the last thing that feels good until a flash dump. And so I am gonna, I'm exiting right now. I'm taking it. I'm gonna take my 7 grand. I'm gonna let my people know. If it continues to go up, it continues to go up. But I just exited at 11,017. Look, it's going down right now. It's going down right now. Just a little bit, but I'm gonna take my profit. I'm not gonna short. I am not looking to short. And it is on a larger time frame. And so there could be times it could go up to even higher. Hell, this even it might not even flash crash. It could just be another time where we touch, have a little dip, and come back up. Just like before. Just like this one right here. This one right here, we had a little flash dump. And so I just took my profits, closed my trade. Looks like we closed at a pretty good time. Looks like we closed at a pretty good time. Yeah, looks like we closed at a great time. Perfect time. Perfect time. We got in. I got out at $3. At $3 less than 11.20, 11.17. In fact, let me just make sure. I lied. Got out 11,210. And I think it's time. And I'm going to be patient. I'm going to set some orders in the high 9,000s, low 10,000s to hopefully catch a wick. Unless something else, plays out. Like I said, I could be kicking myself in the ass again for feeling like I took profits too early, but 7 grand's not a bad day. Not a bad day. Anyways, that's the stream. I'll see you guys later. I'm using what I feel. I'm using what I think I need. We can look at. Let's see what SR is telling us. Oh, I gotta adjust. Always have to adjust our resolution. So we're on the daily. So we'll look at the 4-hour. If there's a way where I can add a custom resolution, because I'd like to see the 6-hour and the 8-hour to give me a better look. And so I think what we're gonna do is let's look when this last dump was this it? Let me see here. Oh, wait, let me see here. What the hell are we doing? What's going on? Okay, here we go. Yeah, this isn't working with this resolution. Okay. So on the last dump, ooh, here we go. Okay, here we go. Yeah, that looks perfect. That looks perfect. Let me answer this text. We were 10% up. This is technically like a sell thing. We're on the incorrect resolution, but it doesn't really matter. That you could play around with it. But we came down to 10% up. We had a lot of dots right here. We have a lot of dots right here. 10% up brings us right at like 9,900. And so I think, yeah, the 10,000, 9,900, low 10,000s is probably what I'm looking for. A nice dump to a good flash dump to get back in and instantly have some good results. We certainly could be capping out as far as money flow. And that doesn't mean that when it starts going down there won't be any pumps. There still is. It's just when we have this thick money flow is when we actually gain new levels, right? And so when we have like a declining money flow, we're going sideways, just like this, right? It went down and then up, and then down and then up. But around the 4 hour, technically we did pump up and we broke that pattern triangle, but we didn't hold it. We came back down. So since we have now, when we have positive money flow, we break it and then we hold it. That's another strong indicator to know if we're going to be holding a breakout, or maybe if shorting the breakout's a good idea. If the money flow is thin or in the red and we break out of a pattern, chances are we're probably going to at least come back to the pattern, right? Pretty cool, huh? How much time do we have left to hit? I guess technically we did hit our prophecy from a week and a half ago. I know, Sid. I know. You need love. You got few today. All right, here we go. 11K in 15 days. What was the date of this? June 12th. All right. So we hit the prophecy. We said 11K in 15 days. Hang on, let's go back. Let's double check. Look at the thumbnail. 11K in 15 days. There's no question marks. There's no tippy toe. Nailed it. We were at, looks like 8,300. Blurry for me too right now, but that's okay. Yeah, it looks like we're at 8,300. Another prophecy foretold. Prophecy foretold. Looking at our little thing here, looks like we're gaining, 30 to 50 subs a day. That's pretty cool. Always have been. We're always gaining subs. Now, what next? I could be totally wrong. We could just be breaking out. We could break out even more, but it's pretty rare on the daily that we touch in and then keep going. So I'm pretty confident that we'll see some kind of a drop, some kind of a sell-off. And I'm basically comparing this to this one. I think it's rather similar. It is a smaller wave, and so there is a chance the correction actually isn't as big as this one was. I feel like if I had some balls, I would short this, but I don't have the, I don't necessarily, just like betting the under is hard for a lot of people in sports. Shorting is hard, harder for your average person. But we've been eyeing this for the past day. Looks like we got out at pretty much at the top. We made 0.8 Bitcoin on that trade. I'll take it. Trying to not let my greed overtake me. Just because your last trade maybe made 10,000 doesn't mean you have to make 10,000 every trade. Not every hit has to be a home run. You can get your base hits and other baseball analogies. Just tell yourself baseball analogies in the mirror every day. You can relate everything in life to baseball. Yeah, I think this is looking like the endorphin push before death. But at the same time, it's almost like a bow. It looks like a bow. And I feel like I've seen just based off candles, if I'm not thinking about anything else, looking at anything else, I feel like I've seen these candles and just seen bigger candles afterwards. So it's possible that it doesn't come down, but since there is a possibility that I think we do have a breakdown, that's why I exited my trade. So I'm not going to enter a short, but I'm exiting my trade. Yeah, I guess the whale group's open. The problem was, like, I kept getting people sending in. I even changed the price of the whale crew, but people are sneaky, or sometimes maybe they don't know, or there's an older video. and people would just send their Bitcoin in. They're like, "This is for Whale Crew." I changed the price to 0.2, and then I closed it. And so whatever. I guess we'll just keep it open. And you know what? There are some trades that I make and have made that I have not put out to the Whale Crew, because mainly those are shorts. Because with all of the noobs, it's hard enough as it is to manage everyone's flopping and groping. I will get that Ferrari LC. I'll probably, but I think it's going to be probably mid next year. Hell no, I don't want no McLaren. Thank you. Yeah, the play for the masses is to enter on a flash dump into the 10,000s. Start the trades off with low leverage. Sprinkle it in as it goes on.
Yo, just got back from getting Mexican food.
Right on. How's the music how's the music volume?
Fine. I've been watching the stream.
I know, but I want to make sure they can hear you.
Yeah, man, I got 2 shredded beef tacos. Salsa, 2 margaritas.
This was a good. We hit this long too. We longed this. I believe this was. I entered a long on the Crow stream. Do you guys remember? I felt like I did. It wasn't.
Yeah, you long that.
This was like from the
Yeah,
other
you
night.
entered long on the Crow stream there.
Yeah, we were on like the 15 minute, I think. I think we were on the 15 minute, and I was like, I'm gonna long this. It was this, wasn't it? It was 10,600. It was the 10,600. We longed this. I remember even said it in the stream. I was like, we'll see how this plays out, but this would be a long right here. Fucking beautiful.
The stream was perfect.
These
Bro
ones,
was just
beautiful.
frothing at the mouth, just learning. It was great, man. You know, you could tell you were really in your element when you got the screen share on you, and you were just doing TA. I felt like you loosened up a bit. You know, you like became crypto face again.
The Head and Shoulders thing pissed me off. Like, there's been 2 Head and Shoulders. They were right in front of me. I was just like I don't. For some reason, they just weren't like showing to me. And like, I remember being on the 3 hour, seeing this damn Head and Shoulder. And I mean, we've had it on our channel. I don't know what happened. Like, they disappeared. There was one like in here somewhere. And then we just had that. We had the call to 10,500 that we nailed. That was from a Head and Shoulder too, but that disappeared too. Was it this one? It didn't look like this. Wasn't it though? It was something else. There was a much bigger one. And it's, I don't know where it is. Weird. Yeah, the echo, of course, in the beginning. But him wearing the mask from the start was really funny. That was his idea.
Yeah, that was funny as hell. I knew, you know, it was funny to see him bend the knee.
He did bend the knee. He bent the knee. No, everything was good. Everybody was respectful. At the end of the day, if there's one thing that like brings the world together, it's money. That's what like is true peace. Is if everyone has like prosperity. If this does keep going, if we end up going to 12K or 11,700, I'll be a little upset. But I think I made the right move by exiting. Good long. If there's a green dot on the 1 minute, fuck it, just long it. Just kidding. Just kidding, folks. Kidding. You're talking about on here, too. time to time we talk about shit coins, yes. Let's take a look at ETH. I think I'm still in my ETH trade, actually. I might still be in my ETH long. Oh, I am. It's up 15%. Long at 308. So you start off bigger time frames. You go to the lower time frames to see what's going to happen next, what could happen next. He's kind of looking like, you know, the same thing. Sometimes we can look at a shit coin and get a tell on the market, but and you know, this is like a trumpet that could this could be a forced trumpet. What I mean by that is we've been seeing so many beautiful, perfect trumpets, and people go, "This is a trumpet, right? This is a trumpet," and then it shits on it. It's like, well, no, it wasn't a real trumpet. It was quasi. It was a trap trumpet. Got a little sign of turbulence here. First sign of turbulence. It's not that I am sure. I'm telling you folks, I feel like I am 50-50 on the next move. But what matters is we nailed the right move, which was longing at $10,855 earlier today. Showed the Russian Spritzer before it happened. These are the things that you get in the Whale Crew trade group. The Whale Crew and Market Cipher are two separate things, people. Two separate things. We've had a couple people try to say, I'm so happy to Market Cipher Whale Crew 0.09 Bitcoin, right? I sent you your Bitcoin, Whale Crew Market Cipher. I don't see Whale Crew. I thought you said both. So no, it says separate. I've never said you're getting both. this is where we just exited our long, for those of you that were here at the very beginning of the stream. We exited at the beginning of the stream at the right place. Oh, would you look at that? Would you look at this? Even on the 1 minute, this is where Cypher on this doji, even at the bottom of the doji, was $11,187. Even if you got in at the bottom, you currently be in the green. It's down to 11,120. Doesn't look like it's slowing. Doesn't look like it's slowing. Big red X candle on the current candle. Bet you we got more to go. Come on, come on. I want to get back in these low 10,000s. My mouth is actually starting to salivate. Can you guys tell? Like, there's like, it's crazy. That happens when I actually see a good trade. It's like there's a stake there too. My mouth literally starts to salivate. Oh wow, I was on mute this whole time.
Follow me. I'll show you the way. Follow me.
I might be.
Next fib level is at like 1160.
I think I'm gonna sprinkle a small little short that I don't want any. Well, I'm not gonna tell anyone. But I think I gotta. Can you do it?
Can you do it?
Yeah. I'm gonna do a small.
Oh, I don't know. Can we get a volume figure real quick?
Did anyone see the new Digitex video of how he's talking about burning the insurance fund? He's like, they don't even need an insurance fund. They rarely ever use an insurance fund. Burn the tokens. With the greatest thought, we're going to burn the insurance fund. Oh man. Like he's literally saying he's burning the insurance fund for the exchange. Thanks, Blood. What's up, Saint?
Crypto Saint, what's up, bro?
I don't believe now's a good time to enter a trade, folks. I believe that for me, the right entry is in the low 10,000s. Now this is a little support that needs to be broken through in here. maybe he'll wait before it breaks support. He's always in a rent-a-room. What's the app that businesses use? Where it's like, you can go anywhere in the world and there's like some little shitter office you can use. It's like Weeby or something.
Yeah, he's always on stream and he's like, where's the fucking bathroom in here? I gotta take a shit. He never knows where the bathroom is.
He has to always he's gotta take a shit. He calls his secretary. We work. That's right.
Who's he running? Is he running from something? Like, why is he always on the move?
Well, you know, we're not restarting from zero. We're still looking at everything. We're standing looking at whiteboards, scratching our heads, but we have a great idea. We're
He's
gonna
like
burn
an
the
embassy
tank,
suites.
burn the
Just rent it
insurance
out.
fund. Oh, it's a brilliant idea, if you didn't say so myself. Who needs it? They don't really use insurance fund. But you know, for shitter techs it might work because they might not need an insurance fund. Because no one's gonna be trading on that shit. Yeah, we got looks like money flow came down. This is a deep push. This could be the beginning. This could be the descent beginning, or a descent beginning. Ooh yeah. Yeah. You know what else I've noticed is these money flow pushes come in twos, at least on the hourly. They come in twos. And then they snooze. I mean, doesn't even this just look like, haven't we seen these before? Don't these just have a big fucking wick come down? It happens. Going off the daily though, you do have to be patient. You gotta be patient. So you're talking 24, 48 hours. Maybe even more, you know, 72 hours before the move. Looking a little heavy. It's looking a little heavy to the downside. little heavy to the downside. This is the deepest, let's see here. Yeah, I mean, this is coming back up, but the price ain't moving. Let's go ahead and dump it. Just dump it. Well, just count your time frame candles. If you're on the 30-minute, you know that, ooh, look at that emoji doji. That's what we want to see. Look at this, folks. Right before our eyes. This could be the time to realize. Look, we got 1, 2, even 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice line down here. Money flow decreasing. It's looking like a good short. Could be a good short. Now, we don't know how long or how much it would go. It could be a good short, and it could end right here at 11,000, or it could be a bigger dump. I don't know how much, but it's looking like kind of a short. Now, what do we do before we cross the street? We look both ways. Look, it looks like it's starting to potentially taper off here. It's not 100%, but it's almost there. 15-minute has already crossed. Yeah. I'm adding a little more. I'm officially in a little short, but if anyone else is gonna do this, just make sure you don't. I wouldn't leave it. I would not leave it. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You know, could be looking 2 hours. But also, look at this. Here's another thing about shorts, is you could enter the trade, it could, bam, wick all the way down to like the max it would go to. You know, this went down to $10,500 on just the first wick, just boom. And then it took hours until it came back again. And so, if we see a violent movement right away, it's probably a good idea to take your money and walk away. Yeah, Bybit, people only use when they register, and afterwards, I don't believe they care. There we go. This is what we want to see. We want to see some red come in. Good. This is a good little sign of first turbulence. We got a good sign of turbulence right here. We want to see some red X's. Okay. Yeah, we got our first sign of turbulence right here. It's fun when we have like live trade opportunities on stream, you know? Live entries, live exits. Ooh, here we go, baby. Let it begin. So it begins. I have to take a leak. I'll be right back. Alrighty. Oh, can you do it? It dumped. Exit this shit or ETH trade and take the little 1.2 ETH I just made and then they have to lower. Damn, that shot up a few times. Yeah, this is a prime example of seeing what we want to see with the blue waves, looking to the right, looking to the left, and crossing the street. With backup on a larger time frame. We have backup. So we have 1, 2, 3 plus some backup. That's fair. A fair trade. A fair trade. And it's gonna undulate. It's still gonna go up and down. It's still gonna undulate. So you want to be there, be attentive, but not, you know, attached, not clung. we just went over why we decided to enter literally right before I just got up. But if you just came here, I suppose we'll go over it again. First things first, on the daily, can you do it? Since the start of the stream, we were in a long. We exited at 11,210. On the daily, we have a potential, what I believe, for a dump like this one, because the white's cutting into the blue, similar to this one, right here. So that's that. And we were just shooting this shit, having a good time, and I scrolled across the 30 and went, hey, what do we have here? And what we have is the blue wave strategy, where we have a nice tall wave right here, and we have another one here where the white cut in. It looks like this was the top, right? And so we're going to short this because we not only have one, but we have two. We have a nice consecutive downward movement of blue waves. This could actually end up being now we could even see something like this. It comes down, comes up again, and you know, maybe the price comes and comes up again. The price could actually come back even though this blue wave is still down here, right? It could come back even, and then that means it would be a stronger chance for even more of a bigger dump. It could even do it again. It could be lower, come back up here. The price could come back and still actually be even, technically. But then that would mean it'd be even a bigger dump. And so we like seeing these consecutive waves here, consecutive smaller waves. And so we're on the 30-minute. Now that doesn't mean we just flopped and groped into it, just like crossing the street. We looked left and looked right. We looked to the right at the 45-minute. Looks like it's coming close. It's coming close. It's not absolutely confirmed. If you're an RSI dweeb, your RSIs are at the very top. Looks like, and so that's a good sign that it's going down too. So all right, it looks not bad on the right. We look to the left, and we see that it has crossed on the 15, started to go down. RSI is coming down, so yeah, we entered short. Correct. If this was inverse and this is the zero line right here. If this was inverse and this was a long blue wave and there was a short one, this would be a long entry right here. If there was another wave right here that was shorter than this, that would be a long entry. Same thing. If it did a little thing like this, we had an even line, same thing. Correct. Cool, yeah, I'll be releasing more info on the sales funnel that you'll all be able to use coming soon. Looks like we're knocking on hell's door here. This is good for us if you're in the short. Granted, it is the 1 minute, and so the 1 minute you'll see looks vastly different than anything else. The 5 minutes continuing to soar down, no sign of stoppage. And if we're short, we obviously want this. We want this to come down past, these two, right? Now, would you look at this? This is something we do want to see. We want to see this. This is good news for us bears, even though it's only on the 1 minute. Now, don't be surprised. Again, this is the trap manipulation mark. So don't be surprised if we see a little bit of upward movement proceeding to a dump. Looks like we're coming through. Looks like we're having the upward movement right now. This is real time. Real time. Let's see if it happens. Bit7's a scam, dude. Bit7's like closing people off and not giving people their money. Don't use Bit7, bro. They have no liquidity. That shit's a fucking scam. Okay, is she topping off? Is she topping off? This would be awesome if we have a yellow X play out on the 1 minute live stream. That would look great. That'd be great for business. It's the indicator they say doesn't exist. By the way, we'll do the stream special for 0.09. Now on the 5 minute, money flow is picking back up. Patience is a virtue. Alright, I'll come back now, baby. It's 0.09 for everyone. Doesn't matter who you are. There we go, baby. Keep it coming. Keep it coming. Yeah, look. This is weak, baby. Come on. You're probably on either normal candles. Oh no, it's still there on normal candles. Or you're on the wrong chart. You want to be on XBTUSD. what's your offer? If you won 3 years in Whale Club, what are you trying to pay, buddy? Message me on Discord. Serious offer only. There we go. Good little sign right here. And maybe I can do second year special, maybe like second year of Cypher, half off. Maybe I can do something like that. We're on the 1 minute, and so remember, like, we're not living and dying by the 1 minute, people. Looking at the 1 minute, your pupils are all big. We are in a strong uptrend. We just had the Russian Spritzer, so it very well could be a little bottom for a little bit. That's why I said the real play is waiting along in the low 10,000s for me. But we'll see what happens. I might have to leave soon too. Up, young content. If y'all like DJ Smokey type trippy content, check out Young Content's YouTube channel. I like it. Oh, here's the Seifu hater. MC didn't predict that swing, did it? You must be blind, you fucking idiot. We literally just said, which swing are you talking about? Please enlighten us. Enlighten us, bitch. I'll give you your attention that you so seek. Speak. Because according to Cypher on the lower time frames, I mean, it's showing every move. Every move. You had your peaks getting smaller, right, on the 1 minute, the X. Nah, dude, you're always talking shit. You're talking shit in the crow stream. You're talking shit now. Don't try to be... No, now you're being a beta fucking... Now you're just showing you have no spine. You're not even holding your ground. I said which swing gave you a chance, and you're backing like a bitch. So we're gonna hide you. I gave you your chance to be a tough guy and back yourself up, and you end up just being a little bitch. Therefore, I vomit thee out of my mouth. I'd rather have someone that's on one side firm than a little beta bitch. I'd love to play Mike Jones, but that'll get me in trouble with YouTube. There is no advice. I don't give advice. I already exited my long. We exited at 11,210. And what I'm really looking for, the move I'm really looking to make, is for a flash dump looking to enter in, whether it's in the low 10,000s, high 9,000s, mid 10,000s. And if it just continues to go up, so be it. But since I feel like I'm at a 50-50 point, I took my profit. And now we're just chilling. If you're talking, dude, you're on mute. What percentage of my stack? Well, I guess in hindsight, it's a small percentage. But I just put what I'm willing to trade on my account. I haven't really calculated what percentages of all the crypto I have, but a small percentage. I don't sit here and calculate percentages and write things down on spreadsheets. Thank you, Derek. Sure. Thanks, Ripple. Look at these little, this looks like butt cheeks. This looks like a little figure, like, from behind. Their feet. This is the back of their head. Here's their little arms. What do you mean there's a descending triangle? On what macro trend? I do not see a descending triangle. It is Dark Monkey Music Live 24/7. This could be an ascending triangle. I don't see a descending triangle. Oh, on the short chart. Oh. Yeah. Yep. Patience is key. Yeah, I used to play poker on the stream a lot, but I haven't played lately. I wouldn't even do 25x with the way things have been lately. There's been crazy wicks just to, I mean, you guys have seen the wicks. Look at them. Remember this one, this recent one, this one from 11,300 down to 10,500. Just bang! Ripped everyone's buttholes apart. Is that better? You know what I've found lately? Is that these ascending triangles haven't really led to breakouts. They've actually led to sell-offs. The ascending triangles, from what I've seen recently, haven't been what's pushed us over to new highs. It's been other patterns and statistics, but ascending triangles haven't pushed us. They would come to like a sell-off at the end. I'm gonna have to bounce here soon too, guys. Oh, we got a hater.
I thought I was a goner there.
Yeah, I mean, I told everyone not to follow me. Like I said, there's indications that with patience on larger time frames, it could go down a little bit. I said the real call, what I'm really looking for is to long in the 10,000s. I explained 100 times for people that are new coming in. I didn't tell everyone to go short. I said it's 50-50. I exited my long. And this is why. This is exactly why. Oh, never mind.
Did you find your way out? No, not yet. How about you?
You'll see. You guys will see. It'll come down. All right, I gotta bounce. I shouldn't be. I'll be back in probably like an hour, 2 hours. So, see you guys later. Good stream.